Data is being collected on you at an insatiable appetite pace. I mean, it is exponentially getting more and more and more, that need for that data. Governments collect it, businesses collect it. And what I'd like people to take away is, I don't want you to get scared and go off the grid. I want you to be informed and engaged so you can ask the right questions and pick the privacy standard that's right for you and your family. The biggest data collector out there today are all of the businesses collecting data on you. So a lot of times people think government, but there's an incredible amount of data about you, your habits, your purchasing, your location, all of that being stored at businesses. Government and organizations cannot handle these huge amounts of data they're storing in the databases. You know, this insatiable appetite for privacy and security, or getting to know you as a customer better, creates these huge, huge databases where the purpose is focused on a good purpose, but security isn't always thought about as sort of the first element. So they're not as protected as they should be. I think the best way to get that balance is to be an informed consumer of services, and the same thing for businesses. Be an informed consumer of the databases and the analytics you're using. And then just ask yourself, how much privacy do I want? And make sure you ask, how do you protect the data? How long do you store the data? And if you're an informed and engaged consumer of that analytics or of the data, then you're going to be able to manage your privacy. The key is you have to look out for yourself. Nobody is managing your personal privacy for you.
What advice would you give CIOs out there?
First of all, talk to the business. Make sure you understand their top 5 goals for this year. Align your technology goals to those goals. And then the second piece, have the guts to have the tough conversation with them and say, look, no matter how best our efforts are, we're going to get breached sometime this year. I don't know how, I don't know when, but we need to have a conversation about when that breach happens. Have we done everything to protect the company's brand, intellectual property, and customer data?